I'm Hylke Talsma with Kubota, here to talk about the BX23S. This is our dedicated tractor-loader-backhoe model in the BX series. We have a 21.6 engine horsepower and 17.7 PTO horsepower on this machine. But what's really special about it is it's our dedicated, like I said, dedicated tractor loader backhoe. So it has a reinforced chassis to really handle that backhoe operation on this machine, whereas the other BX models in the lineup aren't able to take a backhoe. Our loader for the BX machine has about a 310 pound lift capacity at full height, and then our backhoe has a 6-foot dig. One of the neat things about this machine is that we have a rotatable seat, so you only have one seat for this machine, and it's pretty simple to do. So you pull it up, and then you can rotate it around and put it into place, and then you're ready to operate your backhoe. And when we go back in, don't let it hurt you that this machine is a dedicated backhoe machine, because the backhoe can come off and you can put 3-point arms on this machine and still use it as your standard BX tractor. It has the 3 PTO controls, so you can operate rear PTO, rear and mid PTO, and just your mid PTO, so you can still handle a 54-inch mower deck on this machine. For more information, you can visit our website at KubotaUSA.com and be able to get more specs, information about the machine, and even pricing.